Introduce highlight features or overview summary for BMOSTE wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: exclusive wireless channel, exclusive Wi-Fi channel, exceeding the router bandwidth limit, low latency, no more freezes. High-speed transmission. Stably play 1080p 60 Hz, Blu-ray and 3D video audio, all video apps supported, no longer limited by the program list of the TV box. 657 feet or 200 meter ultra-long transmission distance, 1TX connect to 4RX max, perfect for multi-screen meeting halls, church, and other scenes. Plug and play. Auto pair after DC power and HDMI plugged, no messy cable, making your room and office tidy. Infrared supported. We provide 2 infrared emitters, allowing you to switch channels in different rooms. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.